5 very unusual bird behaviours. Black-bellied starlings spreading pheromones around the nest entrance to deter predators. This is olfactory camouflage. This starling seems to be wiping around the entrance of its nest with a piece of dark animal fur. It comes back a second time. And a third time. It is thought that they are attempting to leave pheromones at the entrance to their nest. This one even dabbed fur above the nest. It flies to a nearby branch and proceeds to dab the branch too. It then flies back to the nest to continue this dabbing of the pheromones. And a few weeks later, on the 5th of November 2022, when they are feeding nestlings, this time it has a different object that it is dabbing with. It almost looks like some plant matter or even an insect. Because birds inside nest cavities can't see predators coming, they have to rely on the scent marking method to deter any predators from approaching their nest. Birds are incredibly intelligent to disguise the scent around their nesting cavity. Blue crane's open wing distraction display. The pair of blue cranes walked around with their heads held low and their wings open, often pecking at the ground. And then lying flat. There was no evidence of young chicks with them at this stage. The pair displaying together. Now calling together. The male on the right is larger than the female. Strange Kitlitz's plover ritual after copulation. Kitlitz's pair copulating. After copulation, the male pulls both over backwards. The female runs off. And again in slow motion. This pair had been copulating for at least 3 minutes before I started to film them. The male grabs her behind the neck and pulls her over backwards with her legs in the air. Red-billed oxpeckers feeding on blood. An oxpecker using the scissoring method to locate ticks in the fur. They love ticks because they are engorged with blood, but an open sore is an easy source of blood too. They don't only drink the blood, but they eat the mucus around the wound and keep it clean of flies and maggots. This oxpecker finds a bleeding udder and drinks some blood. By doing this, it is also cleaning it of infected tissue. The exaggerated bobbing and chest thrusting of the Timmins courser. The head keeps dead still while the body bobs up and down. During the bobbing, the chest is thrust forwards in an exaggerated manner. The chest is often thrust out 3 or more times. Five times. I hope you enjoyed that. Please leave comments below if you have seen similar interesting bird behavior.